gas truck rattling at dawn. Your old boots by the door, and your note still tucked in my palm. Mrs. Green's fan keeps turning, kids on the lot starting to play. I lay here counting the seconds till the first hard light of day. You took the last of your boxes, I kept the picture frame. Now every room in this apartment still knows your name. Sleepless in 3B, sleepless in 3B. Your side of the bed still pulls at me. Sleepless in 3B, sleepless in 3B. Every floorboard says you left with the key. Ice on the window, July heat. My fan just chases my mind. The vending machine down the hallway gives me one buzz at a time. I hear your laugh in the stairwell, see your coat on the chair. Even this little apartment complex feels too big when you're not there. You took the last of your boxes, I kept the picture frame. Now every room in this apartment still knows your name. Sleepless in 3B, sleepless in 3B. Your side of the bed still pulls at me. Sleepless in 3B, sleepless in 3B. Every floorboard says you left with the key. Maybe one day I'll wake up and the hall won't feel so long. Maybe I'll laugh at the moonlight instead of singing this same sad song. But tonight I'm here in the quiet with a heart that won't sit still, holding on to your goodbye like a porch light.